Hey guys, what's up? It's me Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to do a microphone review using the CaTeFo Star200 T1. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button down there and hit the notification bell beside it so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, without further ado, let's start the review.
Okay guys, so I'm currently unboxing the CaTeFo Star200 T1 microphone. And by the way, huge shout out to CaTeFo for sending me this amazing microphone. Thank you so much, CaTeFo. Now moving on, here are the things inside the box. It has a transmitter, receiver, lavalier microphone, 3.5 TRS to TRRS audio cable for smartphones, 3.5 TRS to TRS audio cable for cameras, 2 Type-C charging cables, user manual, and the warranty card.
So right now, I'm still speaking right into my Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone, which is clipped here on my shirt. And let's try to switch to the CaTeFo Star200 microphone to see if which of these microphones sounds a lot better when vlogging. But before that, let's turn on these two power buttons. One for the transmitter and one for the receiver. Okay, so let's turn this on. And as you can see, it's already turned on. So since my camera doesn't have a mic input or a mic jack yung sasaksakan para sa external microphone, I'm just going to plug this CaTeFo Star200 using my laptop, and I'm going to sync the audio in post. Alright, so right now I'm speaking right into the CaTeFo Star200 microphone. Hello, sound check. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, malinaw ba? Is it clear? Is it clean? Is it crystal clear ba yung audio? I don't know. I still can't tell. Okay, hello. Now let's try to wear this dead cat filter to see if na-minimize ba yung noise. Look how cute is that. Hello, 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 hello. How are you? I'm glad to be with you. And you, and you, and you. Alright. Okay, I'm so excited to hear the sound because I still can't tell if this microphone really sounds good. But based on the previous video reviews that I have seen using this same microphone, it's really clear, guys. Pero I still can't tell. So this time, let's try to clip this microphone into my shirt to see if it's still picking noise very well. If it's, you know, kinda far from your mouth. Hello, sound check. Hello. Okay pa din ba? Okay. Now let's try to sing some songs with my ukulele. And by the way, this is the newest Populele version. This is the Populele 2 Pro. And if you're interested with this ukulele, by the way, I will link the product link on the description box below. At night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself talking to the moon, trying to get to you. In hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too. Or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? Oh, oh, oh. So this time, I'll try to use the lavalier mic that comes with this set. And I'm going to plug it here on this part. I don't know if you can see that clearly. Meron siyang mic jack dyan. And I'll try to plug it in. Hello? Oh. Hello, hello, hello. Is it picking up? 1, 2, 3. And let's try to turn the microphone capsule around to see if nagpipick up talaga siya ng noise. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. So this is how the lavalier microphone sounds like when it's plugged into this CaTeFo transmitter. I don't know if clear ba din ba yung sound niya, the same kung walang lavalier microphone. Let's find out later. Pero, ayan, magsasalita lang ako. So, by the way, here are the specifications of the CaTeFo Star200 T1. Now, the transmission type is 2.4 gigahertz digital frequency. Operation range is 60 meters or 197 feet without obstacles. So, you can use this microphone as far as 60 meters, but beyond that, I don't know what will happen. Siguro mapuputol yung audio or magchachapi siya, ganun, or iiba yung audio quality. I still don't know. Okay, next is powered by built-in battery or USB DV5V. Battery life, transmitter has 4 hours only, while the receiver has 6 hours. So they don't have the same battery life. But yeah. Now moving on to the audio inputs, built-in microphone or lapel microphone. So you can use it without the lapel microphone, just like yung kanina, yung transmitter lang talaga, or you can use this lavalier microphone that I'm currently using. Next is the audio output. So we have TRS cable for cameras, TRRS cable for smartphones. And for the weight, the transmitter and the receiver has both a weight of 24 grams, while for the dimensions, since square type siya, yung dimensions niya is 42 by 42 millimeters in length and width, while the thickness of this transmitter and receiver is only 15 millimeters. Hey guys, so I'm back and I'm currently speaking right into the transmitter. I already plugged out the lavalier microphone, by the way. And kanina napakinggan ko yung voice ko, and I can say that the audio quality between speaking right into this thing than plugging the lavalier microphone and speaking right into this thing, magkaiba sila. Medyo mas clear talaga tong transmitter, direct transmitter, than using the lavalier microphone. So that's based on my observation. And another thing is that I'm very impressed of the audio quality of this microphone. I wasn't really expecting that to be clear and to be clean. And sobrang pulido ng microphone na to. And for a budget microphone, which looks very simple, I wasn't really expecting that. And one of the things that I really like about this microphone is that it's very small, very compact, very lightweight as well, because it is all plastic build na microphone. Well, a lot of people doesn't like plastic build microphones because it doesn't give them a premium feels or premium vibes, you know what I'm saying? And medyo gusto nila yung mabigat na medyo metal yung build quality niya. Pero for me, I'm okay that it's plastic. It doesn't look cheap at all naman. But one of the downsides that I can see with this microphone is that it doesn't have a monitor. So if only CaTeFo placed a small monitor on this side or anywhere dito sa microphone na to, maybe it would be better to see if how much battery is left, if this microphone is really picking up the sound, you know. And ayun lang, if only merong ganun, this microphone would be a lot better. But overall, I'm really loving this microphone. So that's it for our microphone unboxing, test, and review of the CaTeFo Star200 T1 microphone. So if you're interested to buy this mic, I will leave the purchase link on the description box below. And of course, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know your thoughts about this microphone on the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click the subscribe button down there and hit the notification bell beside it so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!